The Procolored F8 DTF Apparel printer is a compact yet highly efficient direct-to-film printing solution tailored for small businesses and custom apparel creators. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below at the latest price. Designed with a high-resolution output of 1440 by 1440 DPI and equipped with CMYK+WW color configuration, this A4L800 Panda transfer machine ensures stunning clarity and vibrant color accuracy for each print. Powered by the reliable L800 printhead, it achieves a full A4 size print in approximately 3.5 minutes, providing a powerful balance between speed and quality for high-volume workflows. One of the standout features of the Procolored F8 is its intelligent white ink circulation system, which includes both automatic agitation and filtration. This innovation prevents clogging issues that are common in DTF workflows, significantly reducing downtime and ensuring print consistency. A built-in siphon filtration system guarantees even ink distribution while keeping the ink pure. Maintenance is equally seamless. Automatic cleaning and a humidification device help preserve the printhead's longevity during idle periods. This all-in-one functionality, from design to film printing, is compatible with Windows 7, 10, and 11, streamlining the process for PC users and eliminating the need for separate printing modules or external software. Beyond performance, the F8 DTF printer also excels in cost efficiency. Ink usage is impressively low, just 20 milliliters per square meter, making it ideal for businesses aiming to maximize profitability without compromising on output quality. The integrated tray cutter ensures precise, clean cuts when using roll film, further enhancing material efficiency and minimizing waste. Its sleek, space-saving design measures just over 21 inches wide and weighs 22 pounds, making it an excellent fit for workspaces with limited room. The metal shell offers durability and corrosion resistance, shielding the internal components from wear over time. Backed by a 6-month warranty for the printhead and a 1-year warranty for accessories, along with 24/7 customer support, the Procolored F8 DTF printer offers exceptional value, reliability, and professional-grade results in a compact footprint.